Hi everybody and welcome back to Northwestern Models, and today we have got something really special for you, and it's something we've been working on for quite a while. Today, our big announcement today is that we have started to do gift vouchers. Basically, we've been asked several times throughout the last couple of years if we do gift vouchers, so it's for people who are wanting to buy something for somebody who they know, either a member of the family or a friend who's interested in model railways, but they're not particularly sure of exactly what to buy them. So with a gift voucher, they are then able to buy the gift voucher and give it to their friend or family member as a gift and say, look, there you are, there's a nice present, go and spend some money at Northwestern Models. So we've listened to what you've asked for and we've come up with some gift vouchers. So we have a £5 voucher, we have a £10 voucher, and we also have a £25 voucher. Now basically it's really simple and easy to use, because what happens is you go to our website northwesternmodels.co.uk, you go down to products, and in the big section there you will find gift vouchers, got their own mini section, and you can then click on the £5, £10 or £25 voucher. You click on that, you press buy now, you pay the money, and then you'll have 12 months from the day that you buy it for the gift voucher to be redeemed. And it's quite simple, because all that happens on there is there's a little code box here, and this one is for the £5 voucher, so it starts with GV05, and I will then add a series of letters or numbers which will make the gift voucher completely unique to you, and upload it onto our system. And then once that's live, which will be done pretty much the following day, this one of these will come out to you in a brightly coloured envelope, ready for you to give to your loved one. And it's as simple as that. Like I say, they then have a year to spend it, and that date will go in the valid until box there. So it's nice and easy, really simple. And if you're looking for a gift for a family member or friend who's really into model railways and you're not quite sure what to get them, then this is probably an absolutely ideal one for you. So I hope that you've enjoyed this little video and introduction to our brand new gift vouchers. We have lots of more products on the way for the rest of this year. We're also going to start getting on with the How to Build It series again for a lot of the kits that we've got. So there's lots going on, and we're looking forward to seeing you all again very, very soon. So until then, happy modelling.